Look at the snow falling. Oh no. What bit right now? So it's snowing out. Belita. Belita is freezing right now. Oh my god. Don't bother under this fucking weather. The boots or whatever I was saying. Oh yeah, Bella looks miserable. Poop on it, poop! Poop on it, we're gonna buy in a house, poop! What you know this? Poop it in our poop, chérie! Oh my god! Poop chérie! Poop chérie! And real belly now. Fucking Snickers. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Fuck, I'm moving this way too. I'm fucking starving now. Okay, okay. I gotta call my client. They told me like I can by lending me the snow boots, and also I have to put the jacket on bail. I'll figure it out. I just need to go. Stylish with that coat. Yeah, I managed to put it. Belita. This is from Madonna clothing lines, probably. Oh, my Tom is gonna keep snowing until 6 p.m. tomorrow. Belita, oh my god. Oh, Belita. Come on, chérie. Come on, Belle, pee on it. Pure madness. God.
Look who it is. The guy that kills every girl he gets close to. Hey, easy, Cardozo. I'll sue your ass for slander. I will keep...
Come on, Belita. You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Come on, Belita. Oh my god. My dog couldn't wait to get in. It's so funny. Impossible to go to the river, too windy. Pee, Belly, pee. Pee, Belly. Pee, come on. Pee on it. Pee, pee. Pee, Belita. Pee on it. You didn't pee on it. Bit of pee on it. here. Come on, Belle. Chucho's going local because of this. Oh no. Oh, Benito, you look miserable, honey. Look at my tummy. Very tough pee on the snow. Good girl. Now we're gonna go back to windy. Stop Bill. Oh God. Where Betty now? Going back to cold. Can't even walk anywhere. F train.